Hi everyone, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back again. We are going to do the closeout for our December Paycheck 2 budget. Well, the cash stuffing for it, because I need to figure out where that money is going to go. We've got $86 to work with. I think that's pretty exciting because that means we're already starting off the year being able to put some money to work for us, and I love doing that, as you all know. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to get down to the nitty gritty. See y'all all in just 1 second. Okay, let's figure out what we want our breakdown to be for this one. So we did have a little bit left over, and as you know, I've been wanting to pull out a little bit for it's happening again, y'all. It happens every time, but a little bit for NTTA, a little bit for lawn, and then electricity was not included in this one, so I haven't pulled out any for that. I think what I'm going to do, though, is take out just a straight 10 and put maybe 5 away for each. Sounds good. That would put us at 71 left over. No, 76 left over. And that seems okay, right? NTTA hasn't been super big or anything like that. So I think that sounds pretty good. I don't even know. No, I didn't. I didn't put that on there for this one. So let me. Oh, my neighbor has turned on his car, which I hate. I hate that he does that. Okay. Hopefully it's not that loud that you all can hear a lot of it. So we want to do, we put in entertainment. We're not putting anything in entertainment this time. We are just, actually though, we should probably do a little bit. Let's do 10. Let's do 5 for NTTA. Let's do 5 for lawn. Let's do 15 for entertainment, only because I think I need to go. I think I'll be going somewhere. Let's do 10. I'll do 10 for entertainment. And then we have debt, credit, debt, house, student loans. Where else do we want to put some money? So far we're at 20, taken out of 86 leaves us with 66 left over. What do I want to focus on? What are my biggest things that I really want to put some money towards? On this list, we have security savings, emergency savings, car, house, tech, and business. I still think that's fine. Security savings, emergency savings. Now, usually I do by percentages. House savings, which I might still do house repairs, tech, business. I think that'll still be fine. I just wanted to be able to actually see what I was going to be writing in there. So let me do this and close this and move this over now. And let's actually put that in there. So we're starting out with, how many of these do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we only have 9. So we are going to just do, let's do NTTA, lawn, entertainment, 5, 5, 10. That leaves us with $66. So then we have debt, credit, debt, house, student, loans, security savings, emergency savings, house repairs. Oh, we didn't have car on there. Yeah, I think that's the one that's missing. Car. I don't know if it was it car repairs or car savings? Car savings. Tech and business. Okay, so debt, credit, and debt house definitely wants to be number one is most important. So let's do 20 and 20%. 20, 20. Let's do 10 for that. So that's 50%. And then let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. I always like to do 5 and 5 for these. So yeah, that would be 10, 10, 10, and 10. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ooh, are we already at 100? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100. Nope, there we go. Okay. So that's how we're going to split that up. So now we have $66, and we're going to do 66 times 0.2, and that gives us $13. $13. And then just to make sure I have that right, we're going to do 6. We're going to do 7 here. We're going to do, oh man, what is times 0.05? 3, so 3, 3. Let's do 6, 6. And let me see how much I have left. So 13 plus 13 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6. Yeah, see, that's why I'm like, some of these are going to have to be bigger. 7 plus 7, that's 66. So that's 13, 13, 7, 7, 7. So I can either do, maybe we should do $8 for student loans. But I feel like that's a little not fair. We should keep the numbers. So house repairs or car savings? Let's do car savings. I feel like car savings gets less. So let's do 7 for car savings. So let's add it up again. 13 plus 13 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3. 66. 0 left over. Zeroed out. Okay. Now that's done. So now we got to pull the money and put money aside to go in places. So now we're looking at this. So let's see what we have envelopes for, and let's see what we need to put into our bank account. So we are pulling out some of our old school, y'all. Look at that old school. Whoop, whoop. I did not have a separate debt folder, so that's interesting because it used to just be one debt, but now that I have a house, I'm like, oh, I need a separate debt folder. So that's another fun thing. So we have debt, we have school loans, we have Closeout for business, we have technology, because tech gets some, and then we have like 5,000 folders, right, for all that savings stuff. So we'll get to that in a second. All right, let's put some of this monies away. Starting out with debt, we will just divide up between house debt and credit card debt, so that we're looking at 13 and 13. So that's 26, so I'm gonna just take that. Ooh, we are gonna definitely need some change, so let's hope that we have change available. So I feel like technically I really do need to pull, but I mean, I'll be putting them in and then just paying it, so it's fine. Okay, so let's just make a note though that it's credit card debt 13, house debt 13. Okay, and we'll put that in our debt envelope. Okay, 26 for that. All right, now, oopsie, that's not gonna fit in there. Who else do we need to cover? All right, we'll check these off then, say that those are done. Student loans get 7. Ooh, Ooh, we do not have 7 for student loans, and we have no change for student loans. So let's not do student loans today. Then let's do, can we do any of them? Oh my goodness. Oh, we really cannot. Okay. Maybe technology. Ooh, because we need a lot of ones and we don't have any. We don't have any ones, y'all. It's so not fair. Okay. Let's see if I have some ones that I can make some change from. Let's really truly though, maybe I can do it if I go ahead and do my savings. Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got security savings. We've got house emergencies. I don't know if that's categorized as the same as house repairs. Let me look and see. Ooh. I'll have to check that one out. We have car emergencies and we have emergency savings. Well, the only two I know for sure I have are the security and the house. And so that's supposed to be 7. So let's see, we do have some ones here. So let's see if we can make some change, shall we? So let's see how much we have total. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. And I am going to do the math so I don't get confused. Calculator. Okay, so we have 64 and we're supposed to get 7 and we're supposed to have 71 total. Okay, so 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 70, and then 1. So now we've got, now we've got some ones. Okay, let's count that up and make sure that's right again. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, wait, hold on a second, okay. 20, 40, 50, 60, is that right? Wait, didn't I just put a 10 in there? Maybe I didn't actually have, I thought it was supposed to be 71, 64. We put in 3, I added in a 10, 20, 40, 50, take that out, 55, 60, 64, yes, plus 70 is supposed to be 71, so 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 70, okay, well I don't know what's going on with me, y'all, and then 1, perfect, okay. So that one is, what is that? Emergency savings is done. Let me check that. Okay, so emergency savings is check. Let's look at security savings, which should be hopefully the same, but I'll count it up just in case. Okay, 20, 40, 45, 50, wait, 20, 40, 45, 50, yes, 51, 52. Okay, plus 7 is 59. So let's see if we can make this work. 20, 40, 45, 50. We need to add 7. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59 for that one, which took away our ones. Not happy about that. Not happy about losing my ones for our security savings. Okay, house repairs. Oh, house repairs is supposed to get, now I have a house emergencies folder, but let me see about house repairs. Let me see if that's supposed to be, I feel like that's supposed to be maybe name something else. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Do y'all have to do this where you check in? Maybe I have too many accounts, y'all. Maybe that's what this is all about. Too many accounts, too many folders, too many things going in too many places, right? Okay. I'm not sure which money this is supposed to get. Like what's supposed to get what. Car repairs is actually in an account, so I think I just have to set that money aside and put it somewhere else. So that's, no, but house repairs is a different one. That is in an account. So this just needs to be set aside. So that's $6 for house repairs. Can go here. Got that one. Till Tech is still supposed to get that $3. We still really didn't end up getting change for Tech, because that would just leave us with a 9, which we don't have. Fantastic. So we pull aside the $6 for house repairs. We still need to do student loans. That one's empty. That one needs to get 7. This is great, y'all. Don't y'all just see? This is just fantastic. So I'm gonna put house emergencies aside because that one doesn't get any. And let me see if I can find some change. Okay, we're gonna see if we can make this work. Student loans get 7. Student loans get 7. So there's 5, 6, and 7. So that one's done. So many of these are starting over. I think that's what's kind of jacking me up right now. So that's where I have to kind of bite the bullet and be like, I gotta get 1s. Tech gets 3. Because even with Tech getting 3, I don't have enough to actually like 1, 2, and 3 to actually be able to like set that aside and make it into a larger one. It's just too many of these have smaller numbers. It's just all there is to it. And then business gets 3, 1, 2, and 3. See, there's something, I just can't switch these out for a larger one. So business has got its 3. And then the only one I'm missing is car savings, right? It was house repairs. This is, oh yeah, good. So that had house repairs at 6. Car savings should be 7. So, oh, yay, I just had just enough. So car savings is 7. So I will put this here. And I bet you're like, what is that money for? That money doesn't have to go anywhere yet. So, yay. This money actually goes somewhere else. Back to where it belongs. Sure. I'll put this where it's supposed to be at. Okay. But that's it. Yay, we closed it out. All zeroed out, all ready to go. Finally. And that's it. So thanks for watching my closeout and my cash stuffing for my Paycheck 2 for December. We are officially done with 2021 and on to only doing money for 2022. So I'm excited for this year. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great one. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.